guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp notifications in the Google Pixel Fold. So if you don't see your WhatsApp notifications at the start, always check that you have DND mode, turn it off. So open the top menu, expand the icons, and now look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Now make sure that you have this feature deactivated, like here. Now it's turn it off. Little obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so just check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Then go to the notifications and turn them all. Open the additional settings and then now check that you have activated the high priority notifications in this place and here. Now go back. Now we have all of the switchers, so remember to turn them all to the on. Okay, now it's time to open the permissions. Of course, you have to get notifications in the allowed. After that, open the mobile data and Wi-Fi, swipe down and look for the background data and unrestricted data search. Now turn on these options. If you still don't have your WhatsApp notifications, go to the storage and cache and tap on the clear storage. Tap on the delete. Now log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. But it's still, the notifications are invisible. Open the settings and go to the system. Choose the reset options, tap on the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, and tap on this button 2 times. In the last step, you can also try to update your system, so go to System Update, and if you have any, just download it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, please like or comment, and goodbye.